Hi, Salma. I'm sending you a zip file containing 3 files. The version 6 of an Excel and version 5, and then the version 6b here on the regression. Basically, I have revised the criteria that we put here. So you can see here that now I'm using the p-values a lot. So basically what I'm doing is I have been revising everything in the sense that if the coefficient is greater than 0 or the p-value is smaller than, and it's smaller than 10%, that means it's different from 0. So instead of putting the 0.8, I'm actually changing everything for the p-value to be smaller than 10%, so it doesn't refuse that refuses the new hypothesis that the coefficient is 0, therefore it's different from 0, otherwise it is 0. So that I revised everything in the criteria that you get here, and the issue is that it changes a lot, the result. So I'm going to open here the 5 and the 6. Put it smaller here. So this is the 5, so you can see the colors here, and the 6. Look what happened. Basically, it changed a lot, the colors, especially in China and Brazil. A lot became diversifier instead of. There was some that remained equal, but the US came as a diversifier sometimes. It wasn't. It was hedged for some. And it changed it. So depending on the criteria, it actually changed it a lot. So there was only few hedge options, hedge or haven options now in China. But before it was like a very clear thing on China. So I think I'm not convinced that the first criteria was actually the best one, because now that we've tried with the p-value, that seems that what other people are doing becomes more of a diversifier option. And with that, what I would like is if you could have a look at the conclusions that we took, and probably we have to rewrite everything. So I don't know. So I'm sending it to you, and could you revise the conclusion and probably rewrite it? I'm not sure I can do it for tomorrow, but let me know so we can probably reschedule, because we actually needed to write with these conclusions instead, the ones on the V6 instead of the V5. And I've also started writing as a paper already. So I'm going to download it as well and include it on the option for you on the 3 files. And basically what I would like you to do is go over it and see if you have any comments, especially here where I'm defining the criteria that we're using. I haven't written any conclusion yet because of the change, so I was about to write the conclusions that we had, but then when I was explaining this, I thought it would be better with a p-value instead of the 0.08, and then it came different conclusions. So I put the new conclusions here, as you can see, the new results. As you can see here, the diversifier options and diversifier options for the D7. So let me know, and then maybe we will schedule, because it's important to have the new conclusions.